Are you new to lesson planning, or you just want to see a new way to lesson plan? Stick with me as we look at one way to create a themed lesson plan. All right, guys, who just loves lesson planning? Okay, probably not most of us, but it's something that has to be done, right? So for those of us who don't love doing it, here's one way you could go about it. The first thing I would do is to have a sheet of paper with a list of everything that you want to include in your lesson plan. So on this sheet of paper, you will include the themes and all the skills that you want your kiddos to practice during the week. Now, your school may require you to have certain skills in your lesson plans, so you'll definitely want to keep that in account when you're making this list. And then add anything else that you want to practice during that week. The next thing you're going to do is fill in the themes for that week. So you'll put your theme, your color, your number, the letter you're learning, any of the academics that you are specifically supposed to learn that week. So what I'm then going to do is look for things that will fill in each of these categories and match one of the themes listed above as well. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to sites that will give me some ideas. So I'm going to start on YouTube. I'm going to search something that goes with my theme or the skill that I want my kids to learn. Scroll through the videos to find one that you think will look good. Oh look, here's a good one. I'm just going to pull up this video here and I'm going to let it play and see if any of the art and activity ideas work for any of the areas I'm trying to fill in. If you see something that works, go over to your sheet of paper, fill it in as one of your ideas. You can keep looking for other videos that would show you some great art and activity ideas and fill in your lesson plan as those ideas pop up or you like one of the ideas. Another great resource is to hop on Pinterest and type in something you're looking for and look for ideas that way. You might find some great things on there as well. Now, so you don't have to watch me fill in this entire lesson plan, I'm going to speed it up a little for you. Okay, now that everything is filled in, you can either leave it here on this sheet of paper or transfer it to your lesson plan that your school requires you to turn in. Once you have your lesson plan filled out and finished, save it on your computer or in a file, or both, so that you can use it again next year. When next year rolls around, you won't have to create an entirely new lesson plan. You may just have to tweak it a little bit and add things or take things away, depending on what you're teaching that week. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. Oh, and did I mention that you can find a lot of art and activity ideas on my channel? If you want to, subscribe here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.